Hey everyone, have you ever pushed yourself to the limit in a sport, only to suddenly feel a sharp pull and that locked up sensation in your muscles? That, my friends, is the notorious pain of a muscle strain.
Timo, you have been a long-time friend of Chinese table tennis team. Despite the years, you continue to shine on the court with impressive performances. People always say that age is a unique challenge for athletes. So, can you feel the challenges in your body?
Yeah, sure. I mean, the older you get as a sportsman, the easier you get injured, and especially muscle strains.
In traditional Chinese medicine, muscle strain is seen as a form of we call that a tendon impediment or tendon obstruction, where muscle becomes tight and the circulation of qi and the blood is blocked. So we have a lot of herbs that have the function of activating the blood or reducing inflammation, improve the circulation, and so on. Another effective Chinese medicine treatment method for muscle strain is cupping therapy. Okay, so have you tried cupping?
I tried it twice.
Cupping can relieve tendon in sore muscles by drawing qi and blood to the affected areas and enhance the blood circulation, and also help clear away the stagnant blood that can result from the strain.
Yeah, I think this is very helpful in sports because you can do it at the right spot and it's very intense. I have seen that with many sportsmen.
So besides the cupping, I also strongly recommend推拿massage. Chinese推拿massage is based on channels and collaterals, the meridian system. So we always stimulate along the channels and certain acupoints.
Yeah, this is a good thing in the traditional Chinese medicine to think the whole body is working together.
Okay, I'm very glad to see your interest in exploring different kinds of treatment methods. Okay, thank you, Timo. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.